Hello, little friends. Welcome back to Pip's little world. What did Pip find today? Ooh, something big and green is rolling in.
A watermelon.
That's right. It's a great big watermelon.
Watermelon. W-A-T-D-B-A-R-M-E-L-O-N.
Let's cut it open and see inside. Look, red inside with little seeds. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The watermelon is green outside, red inside, and super juicy.
Yummy. Watermelon is sweet and so refreshing.
Did you know? A watermelon is mostly water. That's why it's so juicy.
Bye-bye, watermelon.
What will Pip find tomorrow? See you next time. Bye-bye.